It's time for Don and Ron. You won't get this anywhere else.
Howdy folks, welcome to the final edition of the Montana trip for Don
and Ron.
I tell you what, Ron, it was really a gorgeous, beautiful trip. Getting to meet Marshall and Kathy and let them have that beautiful 1940 J3 Cub. They were excited, weren't they?
Oh, they were ecstatic is what they were. That thing was incredible. It was gorgeous.
I tell you, out there too, just going through, Iowa and Kansas and South Dakota, Wyoming, and then coming back down through Colorado, and just all the different things we got to see. But it was a wonderful trip, 7 hard days on the road. Really had some good places to stay. We'll have some pictures we're going to show you. But one of the things we want to talk about, now that that adventure's over with, it's on to the next one. So we really we delivered a beautiful airplane, but we have the next really, really special airplane. We've been kind of talking about it a little bit.
Oh, yeah, without a doubt. You need to get your eyes on this one. This is going to be something to be seen. It's going to be awesome.
Awesome, awesome. I tell you, it's a 1945 J3 Cub, has less than 700 hours on it. Just all tons of original stuff. It's got the original Cessnick wood propeller with it. It's got 1 logbook for the aircraft, 2 logbooks for the engine. It's got the original engine on it. I mean, it's just really, really a special airplane. It's going to be one of those one-of-a-kind, kind of really a museum piece. So, Don and Ron folks, y'all need to be talking to your friends, your neighbors, people that you know that's looking for a pristine J3 Cub that's really, it's going to be the top of the line. It's nothing has been done but the best for it. The 1945 J3 is one of those unique items because it was used a lot of military surplus parts when they were doing the L4s back in World War II, and they had a lot of those parts left over. So it's a very unique combination crossover piece. Again, truly a museum piece. If for somebody that wants the top of the line, wants the very best, probably one of the most unique J3s in the whole world, to be honest with you. This airplane is going to be starting out, matter of fact, it's going to be valued at about $135,000 because of all the features that it has. So I want you guys to be kind of following up on it, seeing what we do with it. We're in the process of painting it now. So if you got a friend that really wants one of the best J3s out there ever, need to give us a call. Like us, share, subscribe, leave comments. But for this particular airplane, contact Patriot Aircraft LLC at yahoo.com. Give us a jingle and we'll give you some more in-depth details about it if this is something you would like to have. So Ron, what did you, again, thinking about going through Wyoming and stuff, what did you think about Wyoming?
Oh man, what incredible. I mean, the scenery is unbelievable. I mean, you just got to go there and be there. I mean, it's unbelievable. It really is.
Yeah, Montana, all those places up north in Flathead Lake. But again, get with us, contact us about this one-of-a-kind J3 Cub that we're finishing, this 1945 one-of-a-kind airplanes. It's going to be one of those pieces that somebody's going to want to own. So give us a ring. Again, like, share, subscribe, leave comments for us. And thank you very much for being on our journey with us to Montana and back. It was an epic adventure. Look for more to come.
Yes, there'll be way more to come.
Thank you. Again, thanks for tuning in to Don
and Ron.
See you later.